Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. In this video, we're exploring myBankrate, found at www.mybankrate.com. myBankrate is a financial website that provides a wealth of resources to help you make informed decisions about your money. Whether you're searching for the best interest rates on savings accounts, comparing mortgage options, or looking for advice on investing, myBankrate aims to be your one-stop shop for all things personal finance. The site is user-friendly, with clear navigation and a clean layout. It's designed to be easily accessible, regardless of your financial expertise. They offer a variety of tools and calculators, making it easy to compare different financial products and services. For example, you can compare current CD rates, find competitive credit card offers, and even explore different loan options. One particularly helpful feature is their rate tables, which provide up-to-date information on interest rates across the country. This allows you to quickly see how different banks and financial institutions stack up against each other. Beyond just rates, myBankrate offers a wealth of educational content, including articles and guides on various financial topics. They cover everything from budgeting and saving to debt management and retirement planning. myBankrate also features a marketplace where you can connect with financial professionals, allowing you to get personalized advice tailored to your specific needs. This can be particularly helpful if you're looking for guidance on complex financial matters. While myBankrate offers a comprehensive range of resources, it's important to remember that it's just one tool in your financial toolbox. It's always a good idea to do your own research and compare information from multiple sources before making any major financial decisions. I encourage you to explore the site yourself and see how it can benefit your financial journey. Don't forget to check the description for the link. Thanks for watching.